Hello viewers, welcome back to our channel Wild Kingdom, where we explore the fascinating world of wildlife. Today we are diving into the mysterious life of one of the nature's most captivating and nocturnal creature, the owl. Nocturnal animals are the creatures that are most active during the night while the world sleeps. These animals come alive, adapting to the darkness in a way that are both remarkable and awe-inspiring. From keen sense to the silent movements, the night is their domain, providing them with unique advantages in hunting and survival. Among these nocturnal wonders, owls has fascinated humans for centuries with their silent flight and hunting call. These enigmatic birds of prey are found on every continent except the Antarctica, thriving in the diverse habitat from dense forests to the open prairies. Owls have had a unique relationship with humans throughout the history. In many ancient civilizations, owls were revered and often associated with wisdom and protection. There are historical accounts suggesting that owls live in close proximity to the human settlements, benefiting from the abundance of food and shelter. A significant moment in this historical relationship occurred after the Shahada of Hazrat Imam Hussain alayhi salam. According to some traditions, owls that were common in human habitats began moving to the wild, perhaps as a symbolic gesture of mourning and respect. This transition marked the beginning of their more solitary and elusive existence in nature. Owls are perfectly adapted for their nocturnal lifestyle. Their large forward-facing eye provide the excellent night vision, allowing them to see even the slightest movement in the dark. Unlike many birds, owls cannot move their eyes. Instead, they can rotate their head up to 270 degrees to scan their surroundings. Their beaks and talons are powerful tools for hunting. An owl's beak is curved and sharp, ideal for tearing flesh, while their strong talon can exert incredible pressure, helping them catch and hold on to the prey. One of the most remarkable features of owls is their silent flight. This is thanks to their unique wing structure and soft fringed feathers that reduce noise. This stealthy approach allows them to swoop down and prey undetected, making them highly effective hunters. Owls are opportunistic hunters, preying on a wide variety of animals. Their excellent hearing helps them locate prey even under the snow and dense foliage. Some owls, like the barren owls, have asymmetrical ear opening, which allow them to pinpoint the exact location of sound with the remarkable accuracy. Once they located their prey, owls use their powerful talons to seize and kill it swiftly. They often swallow their prey whole, later digest parts like bones and furs as pellets. Owls are generally solitary creatures, but they come together during the breeding season. They communicate using the variety of calls, for hoots, screeches to the whistles and bark. These vocalizations help them establish territories and find mates. Once a pair has formed, they work together to raise their young. Female owls typically lay 2 to 7 eggs depending on the species. Both parents take turns incubating the eggs and hunting for food. After hatching, the owlets remain in the nest for the several weeks, relying on their parents for the nourishment and protection. There are over 200 species of owls, each with the unique characteristics and adaptations. The great horned owls, for example, is one of the most powerful and versatile hunters found throughout the America. The snowy owl, with its stunning white plumage, inhabits the Arctic and is well adapted to cold environments. The barren owl, known for its heart-shaped face, is a highly efficient rodent hunter often found in the agricultural areas. Owls play a crucial role in maintaining healthy ecosystems by controlling rodents' populations. However, they face numerous threats, including the habitat loss, pesticides use, and the collision with the vehicle. Conservation efforts are essential to protect these magnificent birds and ensure their survival. Owls are truly remarkable creatures, perfectly adapted to their nocturnal world. Their mysterious life and incredible abilities continue to inspire and wonder. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the secret life of the owls. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss an episode of Wild Kingdom. Let us know in the comments which animal would you like to learn more about next. Until the next time, stay wild.